If you're traveling abroad, you might be shocked to discover that Disney Plus looks completely different. Where did all your favorite shows go? Well, although Disney Plus owns the rights to thousands of series and movies, they're not all available everywhere. Don't worry, I found a foolproof way for you to watch it from wherever you are. All you need is a VPN. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Disney Plus with ExpressVPN. I'll even share a super exclusive discount code so you can save on your ExpressVPN subscription. A VPN, virtual private network, is a super simple type of software that lets you change your IP address, making it look like you're in another country. If you want to find out more about VPNs and how they work, click on the link in the description box below this video. First, I'm going to show you how to install ExpressVPN so you can watch Disney Plus Canada. It's really easy. All you need to do is click on the link below to go to ExpressVPN's site. Click on Get ExpressVPN, then choose the plan that works best for you. Longer plans come with bigger discount codes, so I really recommend using our discount code. Enter your email address, then choose your payment method and add your details. Once your purchase has gone through, copy your activation code. Then, choose the right download for your device, click to download it, and run the installation wizard. When it's finished installing, paste in your activation code. And that's it, you're ready to go. Why ExpressVPN is the best VPN for Disney Plus? It's my top choice for accessing sites like Disney Plus because it has servers in Canada and more than 90 other countries, so you'll be able to stream your favorite movies and shows from almost anywhere. Alright, let's watch some Disney. Start by opening the ExpressVPN app. All you need to do is find Canada in the server list. In the selected location box, you'll find 3 dots. Click on them to open ExpressVPN's location list, then click on All Locations and scroll through the region list to find Canada. Alternatively, you can search for Canada by typing it into the search box. Click on Canada, then click the big power button. It takes just seconds to connect. Finally, open your browser and go to Disney Plus. You'll now be able to view the Disney Plus Canada catalog as if you were at home. You'll see that when I click play, there's no buffering or delay. That's thanks to ExpressVPN's super fast speeds. And that's it! It really is that easy to watch Disney Plus Canada from abroad. All you need to do is find a great VPN with fast speeds and powerful unblocking capabilities like ExpressVPN, and use it to connect to a server in Canada. You'll be able to log into Disney Plus Canada and watch the shows and movies you love with zero buffering. If you want to learn more about ExpressVPN, don't miss our full review. If this video has helped you, please leave us a like or a comment and subscribe to our channel.